Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm looking at animals from the Congo Republic. Chimpanzee. Female chimps are more likely to come into estrus when food is readily available. During this time, the females exhibit sexual swellings. Chimps are promiscuous, and females mate with several males in their community. Males need large testicles for sperm competition. A community's dominant males sometimes restrict reproductive access to females. Although a male and female can form a consortship and mate outside of their community. In addition, females have been known to leave their community and mate with males in neighbouring communities. Copulation is brief, lasting approximately 7 seconds. The gestation period is 8 months, and care for the young is provided mostly by their mothers. African forest elephant. It is native to humid forests in West Africa and the Congo Basin. It is the smallest of the 3 living elephant species. Both sexes have straight down-pointing tusks. They forage on leaves, seeds, fruit and tree bark, and is often referred to as the mega gardener of the forest. It contributes significantly to maintain the composition and structure of the Guinean forests of West Africa and the Congolese rainforests. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Okapi. They are found in the Congo River Basin. The okapi was unknown to the Western world until 1901. It is a cultural symbol in the Congo and is considered an umbrella species for the immense biodiversity in the area. Protecting the okapi means protecting all other species found in its habitat, including elephants, chimpanzees, and gorillas. Colobus monkey. DeBrazza's monkey. Caracal. Gorilla. The western lowland gorilla is found in the Congo Basin. It is the smallest subspecies of gorilla, but still has exceptional size and strength. They frequently stand upright but walk in a hunched quadrupedal fashion with hands curled and knuckles touching the ground. Their arm span is greater than their standing height. In cases where there is more than one silverback male in the group, they are most likely father and son. Lion. On the plateaus, rhinoceroses, giraffes are numerous, but lions unfortunately are scarce. Giraffe is one of only 2 living genera of the family Giraffidae in the order Artiodactyla, the other being the Okapi. A fully grown giraffe stands up to 5.7 meters tall. The tail ends in a long dark tuft of hair and is used as a defense against insects. When running, giraffes rely on the forward and backward motions of its head and neck to maintain balance and the counter momentum while galloping. The giraffe can sprint speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and can sustain 50 kilometers per hour for several kilometers. If a giraffe wants to bend down to drink, it either spreads its front legs or bends its knees. Cheetah. They are found in the savanna areas of the Congo. The cheetah shows some amazing adaptations for prolonged chases to catch prey at some of the fastest recorded speeds. Its light, streamlined body makes it well suited to short, explosive bursts of speed, rapid acceleration, and ability to execute extreme changes in direction while moving at high speed. They have enlarged nasal passages, heart, and lungs, which allow the enrichment of blood with oxygen in a short time. West African crocodile. They are related to the larger and more aggressive Nile crocodile. They prefer to live in open waterways consisting of river basins and mangrove swamps, and are somewhat tolerant to brackish waters. Crocodiles are successful predators. Their streamlined body enables them to swim swiftly. They also tuck their feet to the side while swimming, making it faster by decreasing water resistance. Dromedary camel. Historically, there were camels in the Congo. There are postcards produced that showed that they were used as baggage animals. This would have been around 1910. The dromedary has not occurred naturally in the wild for nearly 2,000 years. They have thick, double-layered eyelashes and bushy eyebrows to help keep the sand out. Congo buffalo is the smallest subspecies of the African buffalo. They live in small herds of about 3 to 30 individuals. There is usually 1 or 2 bulls and a harem of adult females and their young calves. Animals usually remain in the same herd for their entire life. Bongo. They are one of the largest of the forest antelopes. In addition to the deep chestnut colour of their coats, they have bright white stripes on their sides to help with camouflage. Both sexes have heavy spiral horns. Those of the male are longer and more massive, growing to 1 metre. The coats of male bongos become darker as they age until they reach a dark mahogany brown colour. The females' coats are more brightly coloured. Duiker, Jeanette, striped polecat, spotted hyena. It is a highly successful animal, being the most common large carnivore in Africa. Its success is due in part to its adaptability and opportunism. It is primarily a hunter, but may also scavenge, with the capacity to eat and digest skin, bone, and other animal waste. In functional terms, the spotted hyena makes the most efficient use of animal matter of all African carnivores. White rhinoceros or square-lipped rhinoceros. It is the largest extant species of rhino. It has a wide mouth used for grazing and is the most social of all rhino species. After elephants, the white rhino is the largest terrestrial mammal alive today. It weighs slightly more on average than a hippo, despite a considerable mass overlap between these two species. The white rhino also has a noticeable hump on the back of its neck. Each of the 4 stumpy feet has 3 toes. The colour of the body ranges from yellowish brown to slate grey. Its only hair is the ear fringes and tail bristles. The white rhino has the widest set of nostrils of any land-based animal. The olfactory passages that are responsible for smell are larger than their entire brain. Black rhino or hook-lipped rhino. The two horns on the skull are made of keratin, with the larger front horn typically growing to 50 centimeters. The longest front horn recorded was a whopping 140 centimeters. Their horns are used for defense, intimidation, and digging up roots and breaking branches during feeding. It uses its pointed, prehensile upper lip to grasp leaves and twigs when feeding. Their thick layered skin helps to protect black rhinos from thorns and sharp grasses. Their ears have a relatively wide rotational range to detect sounds. An excellent sense of smell alerts rhinos to the presence of predators. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.